How to add debit card to Chime account. Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how you can add a debit card to your Chime account. So without any further ado and delay, let's get started with today's video. Adding a debit card to your Chime app is actually fairly quite simple to do so. So what you have to do for this is you have to go ahead and then open up the Chime app, and here are a couple of ways on how you can do so. So to add a debit card or link your external debit card, so via the move option is open the Chime app, tap on the move tab, tap from, then select add another account and select a debit card to follow the prompts to link your external debit card. Another is via settings. So once you open the Chime app, go to the settings icon, select linked accounts, select link a new account, select debit card, enter the debit card information and tap on link my debit card. That is all for this video. I hope the video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.